Go ahead, put a song on. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's fast. Maybe it's slow. I don't know. Two, three, 1, 2. It's too fast for me. Halftime. Oh, I don't know. Practice the fundamentals. Get back into the fundamentals, Ty. Fundamentals. You're up, and you're down. And you're up, then you're down. It's embarrassing how hard it is just to keep my balance on one foot. Like, moving from one foot to the other shouldn't be that hard. It's what you do every day. You're just walking down the street. Whew. Gotta move the mic out of my head, because now I'm gonna start breathing heavy. This is the right beat. This is a good beat. This feels so good. This is the beat. This is the right beat. It's the right tempo. It's not too slow. It's not too fast. All right, we bookmarked this song. And this is the song we're doing it to from now on. Okay, one more. I really just want to go now. I want to launch. You know, I want to be taking big steps. Let's see if I can. I'm going to start the hallway, and I'm going to wind up, and then I'll just blast across and see how fast I can go. Man, it's exhausting. No, okay. Speed is not the thing that I need right now. I need more precision. Oh, man. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Hoo-wee!